name's Alex. I'm with Lakeside Screw Products and Quantum Precision. I'm vice president of both companies. We've started using Lyndex shrink fit holders. They have increased production astronomically. The reliability and repeatability of runout between tool change to tool change is insane. We have seen no degradation in tool life, and using also the Lyndex shrink fit units, it's very easy to train anybody. I've turned operators into almost machinists by having them understand the process of a tool change. When we're doing high production runs, especially in stainlesses and Inconel, it's a night and day difference in between using an ER and a shrink fit unit and Lyndex competition. The runouts are very spot on. You can count on consistent tool life as well as just great support from the company as a whole. Everybody's one phone call away. If you need something, they'll be right there within minutes every time.